The news comes to you compliments of the National Bank of the Virgin Islands, Digicel, Cyril B. Romney Tortola, Pier Park, Nagico Insurances, Banco Popular, Simply Secure, and NV Salon, Spa, Nail, and Barbershops.
Dance is more than just physical movement. It's a tool through which students of all ages hone their confidence, creativity, self-expression, and shine bright at the Adagio Dance School. Our success is built on the quality of our instruction. We offer 4 levels of ballet ranging from preschool to junior, where students learn the proper techniques to perform pieces of this traditional style of dance effortlessly. Each of these classes further boosts physical, mental, and emotional well-being and adds a little more enjoyment to your child's everyday life. Adagio also offers more contemporary classes like Afrobeats and hip-hop. Acrobatics presents limitless benefits like strength building, flexibility, and hand and eye coordination. Students are encouraged to support each other throughout the training process and build on what they've learned. Our teachers are there every step of the way, skillfully guiding and supervising movements to improve balance and agility without causing injury. Preschool and primary students are given extra attention as they develop their coordination. For some extra flair, students can enroll in our majorettes classes. Conditioning and flexibility takes all their movements to the next level. In light of COVID-19, we've implemented strict safety measures in our spacious studio to ensure students get the most out of our classes without compromising their health or the health of their loved ones. Come find your rhythm at the Adagio Dance School. Call or send us an email today to learn more about our classes.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Think.
Think.
Before you act.
Before you act.
Think before you act.
Acting Commercial Court Judge Justice Adrian Jack has given a September 1, 2021 deadline to Speaker of the House of Assembly, Honorable Hon Willock, to correct a narrative in a court document which points to political point scoring before a court of law. In seeking an injunction against Ria Harry-Kissoon, Andrew King, and Bilal Rawat, practicing in the Commission of Inquiry led by Commissioner Sir Gary Hickenbottom, unless they are called to the bar of the BVI, Justice Jack took time out to rebuke Honorable Willock. Quoting the judgment, the acting judge said, "Before considering the interlocutory relief sought, I should mention one matter of drafting. In both the amended claim form, the various applications, and the 3 affidavits which Mr. Willock has sworn, he refers to the Commission of Inquiry as the Inquisition. This, in my judgment, is inappropriate. Mr. Willock no doubt has strong views on the legitimacy of the inquiry. The court, however, requires parties before it to behave with civility to each other. The court will not tolerate abusive language of any description." It further states, "Describing the Commission of Inquiry as an inquisition does not meet this standard, nor does any implied comparison of Sir Gary Hickenbottom to the late Thomas de Torquemada. The court will not entertain political point scoring by litigants before it." End quote. Giving judgment on the injunction as filed against the 3 attorneys, the acting judge said whether a criminal offense has been committed and whether it is in the public's interest for the offense to be prosecuted is normally a matter for the Director of Public Prosecution DPP and the Attorney General AG. Willock seeks an injunction restraining the 3 lawyers from allegedly breaching Section 18(1) and 2, giving rise to the question as to his standing to bring the current action. The current claim appears to raise no private law cause of action on Mr. Willock's part, states the judgment. The judge said instead Mr. Willock appears to be bringing the claim as part of his public duties as Speaker of the House of Assembly, and the paper filed to date do not, however, identify any statutory basis on which he might be acting, end quote. The judge said so far it appears that Mr. Willock has not yet requested the Attorney General's permission to bring the current proceedings. That is a matter which will need to be addressed at the hearing of the application on September 2. It is arguable that unless and until the Attorney General gives permission, Mr. Willock has no standing to seek an injunction, end quote. appoint the High Court Judge, Justice Vicky Ann Ellis, would consider when the matter of admission of the trial is brought to the court on October 26, 2021. With this JTV News Update, Kathy Richards.
We know that where you choose to bank matters, and it is your vote on what your funds do in strengthening our community. As your official Bank of Paradise, we invest and support the lifeblood of our economy by helping in the realization of personal goals for homeownership, education, and entrepreneurial visions, which support small businesses. We make it our place to connect with persons and worthy causes, and we have been doing so for more than 30 years. Where your money goes and what your dollars empower are your choice. And we thank you for choosing us, a bank that gives where it matters the most, for you, for our community, and a happier tomorrow. The National Bank of the Virgin Islands.
Stop.
Stop. Stop. Think.
Think
Before you act.
before you act.
Think before you act.
You value traditions.
Today,
You value music. You value education. Family.
I love you.
Service.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love. Life. At Popular, we're committed to you and everything our community values. For the things you value the most, count on us. Popular.
Our reliance on digital systems has opened new vulnerabilities to sophisticated cyber attacks. Simply Secure's security management solution helps overcome these challenges. Our service includes 24/7, 360-degree protection for all computers and servers with automatic restoration, security audits, and penetration testing. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Contact us at info@simplysecuregroup.com.